I know. They're not. No, yeah, they're not.
Now we have to sing here one more.
The chick candles are skinnier.
Just really,
Wait,
I think.
No, the real candles.
Let's all sing a rousing chorus of the Saints Go Marching In. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Now, Amy, I want you to think about life for a moment.
How do I do that?
Me neither. I've been trying to start out.
Yeah, we need to think about it. Okay? Think. Oh, yeah, the life cereal.
Amy,
Oh, yeah.
look at me and tell me about life. What is the meaning of life?
You eat it. Remember life cereal? You eat life cereal?
Okay, Amy,
But
you need to make a wish.
I wish for a gerbil. Not you.
Aaron's wish. What's Amy's wish?
Why make a wish first? Ooh, it ain't gonna come true. You got gum in your mouth. That's what. Try it again. There. Yay.
Amy, while Mommy's cutting the cake, will you introduce us to your friends as we go around the table this way?
This is Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. Wave to the camera.
That is Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. Wave. Or wink. And Emily is not in her chair.
Look, where is Emily?
Okay, who's next?
Where's Emily?
Is that Kelly?
Yeah.
Hi, Kelly.
She's in the home.
Uh-oh, who's Monkey Shines down there? Who's that on the end, Amy?
Leah.
Hi, Leah. And who? Oh, Annalisa.
You guys must find out their names.
And there's Jamie. Okay, and now who's this?
Karen.
Hi. And who is... Oh, it's Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Happy birthday to you.
That's mine.
And who's next?
Ashley.
Hi, Ashley. And this upside down girl is Becca. And who have we got here?
Blair.
Who?
Blair.
Hi, how are you? And this little sweetheart is... Was. Aaron, look at the camera and make a pretty smile. Thank you. And this young lady is overdue for her nap.
Oh, shoot.
He's staring at me.
Emily, we're so glad you're here. Except you have to make a silly face in the camera. Can you make a silly face? No? Okay. Aaron, can't you take a bigger bite than that?
Oh, that's all. Yeah. Oh, this too.
What is it?
It's called a pound curry.
A pound curry?
Yeah.
Who gave it to you?
Becca.
What do you say to her?
Thank you.
Everybody finish?
Everybody get their presents on.
No, we'll pass them. Oh, you want them to give them to you?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody can get their own presents.
Can you pick someone? Yeah, I'll pick the people to give them.
Oh, I'll give you yours. Here's yours, honey.
Okay, I'd like Leah here and give her three first.
Don't open.
Mama, we can taste it.
Why don't you pass me the paper, honey?
Okay.
Sit down on your bottoms so that people can see behind you. Oh, good. You can wear those in your hair.
Yeah, I know. Oh, Mom,
Who's this from?
Leah.
I should write this down.
Leah.
You're getting it on film.
Oh, good. Okay.
Oh, this is
And then,
oh, it looks like an umbrella.
just what you needed.
It never rains in Oregon.
It
how pretty.
It never rains in Tigard. What do you need that for?
Now you can give your hippopotamus one to Aaron.
I don't know where it is. Well, I want one like that, doggy.
Isn't that
Let me open it up and
sweet
see what
little
it looks like.
teddy bear?
Oh, you can have it on your shoulder too. And you can take this thing off. What thing? The blue thing right here. Oh. It's like clipped on.
Here, Amy. It's got a teddy bear handle. How cute. Oh.
Thank you, Leah. This beautiful thing. It's just what I needed.
Okay, pass it to Mom.
Here, Mama. Put it
Pass it
down
to
for
Doohickey.
me. Okay, I'll say the next person. I'll say the next
Neat.
person. Rachel. I always open the cards first. Where's my card? Don't open yours.
It's right here.
Got a card. Right, open that. Open it here.
This is from Rachel. Rachel, Bo Rachel, banana, Bo Rachel, me, my, Mo Rachel, Rachel.
Big best wishes. Oh, from me to you, happy birthday, love, Rachel, to Amy. Here, Mama. Mama.
Where is Rachel? Oh, there she is.
Right there.
Save all the bows.
Amy.
Ooh, Amy. It's a spirograph. Turn it around. It's one of the big fancy kinds.
How many thanks, Rachel.
How nice.
I got a spiral tot.
That was for beginners.
I have a spiral tot too.
Do you? Do you use your spirograph, Jamie? They're really nice. Oh, how special. This is to make all sorts of
Hey,
designs.
Aaron, I'll pick Aaron's next. Yeah, it's already open on the inside. It is?
We kind of forgot a card, but that's okay.
Oh, that's right. Well, I forgot my card too.
We did. I did too.
So did Leah. Everybody.
I forgot my card.
I think that's not all you forgot.
Aaron got you Dolly surprise.
I wanted one of these so
The
bad.
hair grows. We'll open it
I
later.
love those kinds. Oh,
And Erin will get to play with it too, won't she, Amy?
Okay, next.
Would you like to hold it for her?
Kelly.
You hold it for her.
Oh, she gave me a candy. Happy birthday, love, Kelly. Bubblegum.
Mama's gonna chew it.
No, you won't.
Where's my gum? Why? I've got your pony before you go, okay?
Yeah, we found your phone.
Ooh.
Ice cream cones? What is it?
Oh, stationery and envelope.
Oh, and pen. And another one.
Isn't that nice? You can write all your thank you notes on that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Kelly, what a nice gift.
They're pencils. Color. Yeah, color
Colored
pencils.
pencils. What a nice gift.
Thank you. Let's see. Annalisa. Annalisa, yes. My mom.
I wanted one of these when I was a kid, but nobody got me.
I put an I, but I had it. I, E. There was an I. But I put an E.
Amy, can I have this gum?
Well, I guess.
I'll just bite half of it.
I want it.
Kelly, did you make this paper?
Yeah.
Kelly made this paper. This is beautiful.
I made
Here, I
the
just want
kite
to
too.
taste.
Let's see. Oh, what? Mama, look at the outside.
Ooh.
Watch
I
it.
just want
Let
to
me
taste.
show
I'll give you the other part.
you. Change the color. Gosh,
swallow.
why does everybody have to go like this? Yeah, no.
Sit down, everybody.
Love and Lisa. Dear Amy, I like you. Maybe maybe
Whose is this?
I can play rabbits at your house today. How
Is this
old
yours?
are you? Now. You have to go 7. I'm 7.
Is this yours,
I
Jessica?
like your dresses. Well, maybe I forgot something to say. Oh, happy birthday. Yes, it is.
Okay. Don't forget. What a nice letter.
Try not to let this go.